Have you ever sent a message that you wanted to change or even delete? I've certainly sent text or emails that I wish I could take back, or at least not to have to follow up with an oops message. Fortunately in Teams, it's easy to edit chat in Teams messages. In this quick tip, we'll look at how to edit messages in Microsoft Teams. So I've sent this message, and then it wasn't until after I sent it that I realized that there was a spelling error. Or maybe I wanted to add some more information to this message. The nice thing about being able to edit is we don't have to then click on reply and put in more and have it be a more confusing conversation. All we have to do is hover over that message. Notice that you'll see these emojis as well. But I'll move to the ellipses, the dot, dot, dot for more options. And here is edit. Yay, I can fix this. Now you can only edit your messages, but there's no limit to how many times you can make changes to a sent message. And I might want to make other additions. For instance, here I'll use an @mention for the design channel and make this message a little bit clearer. Simply hit enter to share your changes, or over on the right hand side here you have the option to cancel or to say that you're done. With these simple steps, you can streamline and improve your communications in Teams. For more tips on being productive with Teams, head to thesoftwarepro.com/Teams. If this training was helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe to this channel. This is Bjork, the Software Pro. Thanks for watching.